One of my Instagram followers from Italy sent me his replica wheels and stocks for bridge. I promised that I would tell about it and put them on my guitar. This is the name of his company, and this is what these wheels look like. Everything is done according to technology and in size, from the correct alloys. Do they sound? They sure do. Let's see how they will sound on the guitar. But they are very well made. Let's check the dimensions. 246, 1619. In inches, it will be 0.096 and 0.63. The stock in inches would be 0.137 and 1 inch. Very, very, very similar to the original part. So go to that person's Instagram, try those parts, and I think you will not regret it.